LinkedIn has become the flea market of job hunting. Everyone's there, everyone's selling something, and it's nearly impossible to stand out. Picture this. You're walking through a chaotic bazaar where everyone's screaming about how great their products are. That's LinkedIn for job seekers. You think you're unique? Think again. In this noisy, overcrowded marketplace, you're just another seller peddling the same old wares. The sheer volume of people looking for jobs and the multitude of companies posting openings create a chaotic environment. Amid this noise, your profile and applications can easily get lost. So, how do you make yourself heard? Spoiler, it's not by using the Easy Apply button. Now, let's dive into one of the biggest traps on LinkedIn: Easy Apply. Easy Apply is like throwing your resume into a black hole. It's quick, it's easy, and it's completely ineffective. You're not selling your value, you're broadcasting your desperation. It's like sending out a distress signal that screams, "I'm not willing to put in the effort." Think about it. Recruiters see hundreds of these applications daily. Do you think they'll pick yours out of the pile? Think again. You're just another faceless resume in the abyss. Imagine a recruiter sifting through a stack of identical resumes. The chances of yours standing out are slim to none. The convenience of Easy Apply is deceptive. It gives you a false sense of accomplishment, making you think you've done your part in the job hunt. But in reality, you're just another name in a sea of applicants. Recruiters are inundated with these quick applications, and the truth is, they rarely get the attention you hope for. It's like buying a lottery ticket and expecting to win. Highly unlikely and mostly a waste of time. Recruiters often spend only seconds glancing at each resume. Using Easy Apply, your resume can lack the necessary context and personalization to stand out. It risks becoming just another document in a long queue, a bland, unremarkable piece of paper that suggests, "I didn't put in the effort." So, what should you do instead? If you're serious about landing a job, you need to put in the effort. Customize your application. Tailor your resume to highlight the skills and experiences most relevant to the job you're applying for. A generic resume simply won't cut it. Ensure every job application feels personalized and intentional. This means taking the time to research the company, understand the job description, and adjust your resume to align with the specific requirements and culture of the organization. Remember, it's your career we're talking about, not a pizza order. Show that you care about the opportunity by crafting a resume that stands out and demonstrates your commitment. Stop sending out boilerplate cover letters. Employers can smell a copy-paste job from a mile away. Writing a compelling cover letter is equally important. Your cover letter should tell your story and explain why you're the perfect fit for the role. It's your chance to connect the dots between your experience and the job requirements, and to show your enthusiasm for the position and the company. And for heaven's sake, stop using Easy Apply. Think of it this way: if it seems too easy, it's probably not worth it. Employers want to see that you've invested time and effort into your application. It shows dedication, attention to detail, and a genuine interest in the role. If you can't be bothered to put in effort now, why should they believe you'll put in effort on the job? Beyond just customizing your application, let's talk about networking. Reaching out to recruiters directly with a personalized message can make a huge difference. A well-crafted message can highlight your interest and suitability for the role, something a resume alone cannot convey. Attend networking events, join professional groups, and engage with industry leaders on LinkedIn. Building relationships can open doors that a faceless resume never will. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a follow-up. After applying or making a connection, send a thank you note or a follow-up message. It shows persistence and genuine interest. A simple follow-up can remind the recruiter of your application and keep you top of mind. It's basic manners, folks. And it works. Your follow-up message should be polite and professional. Express gratitude for the opportunity and reiterate your enthusiasm for the role. This small step can set you apart from other candidates who might not bother to follow up. It's about showing that you care enough to go the extra mile. So if you want to stand out on LinkedIn and actually get hired, ditch the Easy Apply button. Customize your applications, write compelling cover letters, and invest in networking. Remember, the effort you put in is a reflection of the value you bring. Good luck.